DJI is one of the most popular drone companies in the world, and their drones are known for their reliability and ease of use. In this video, we take a look at the 5 best DJI drone camera models that are available in 2022. Each model has its own unique features that make it perfect for different purposes. So, let's get started. At number 1 is DJI Mavic 3. Among DJI's consumer drones, this is its flagship model. This is the perfect drone to get the job done, because it's big, mean, noisy, and has 2 cameras. The Mavic 3 will deliver if you are able to fly a drone under the right conditions. My favorite feature of this drone is the wide-angle camera, which captures stunning photos and videos. It takes some getting used to the telephoto camera, which DJI refers to as Explorer mode. It produces some interesting and very unique pictures, but it isn't as good as the main camera. You've come to the right place if you're looking for the best drone. At number 2 is DJI Mini 3 Pro. The long-awaited Mini 3 Pro has arrived. The Mini 2 has been upgraded with a redesigned chassis, an upgraded camera, a bigger battery, as well as obstacle avoidance sensors. In some areas, sub 250 grams products are important because they fall into an area where regulations are less onerous. Compared to places like the US, Europe considers this an important issue. In spite of this, the Mini 3 Pro is a very capable drone you can carry with you wherever you go. Using a Mavic 3 wouldn't allow you to do that. At number 3 is DJI Mini 2. Due to DJI's release of the Mini 3 Pro, it is easy to think that the Mini 2 is now obsolete. That's not so quick. If you are looking for a cheap drone or are a first-time buyer, the Mini 2 is a great choice. There is no doubt that the Mini 2 is a very competitively priced product. You can pick up a fantastic drone that can capture awesome photos and videos for under $500. If you're going on holiday or hiking, this drone would be a great companion. At number 4 is DJI Mavic Air 2S. If you're looking for more than a Mini 2, but don't want to commit to a Mavic 3, this is the drone for you. Even the most demanding high-end consumer will be satisfied with this drone. The Mavic Air 2S is a superb value for the price. Flying, stabilized 5.4K cameras are able to stay in the air for close to 30 minutes, capturing amazing film footage. Only the side sensors are missing from this drone. The good news is that with careful flying, it doesn't have to be a problem. At number 5 is DJI FPV. In FPV drones, you fly using a headset that gives you a view directly from the drone's perspective. It can be an exhilarating way to fly, but it's typically only available to enthusiasts who want to build their own FPV system. The DJI FPV is DJI's first ready-to-fly FPV drone, offering first-person perspectives, 97 miles per hour top speeds, and stabilized 4K video. If you've been looking for those dramatic FPV photos that have been dominating Instagram in recent months, it's the only drone on this list that's capable of getting you there. So that sums today's video. We hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give the video a thumbs up. Also, if you're new here, be sure to click the subscribe button. Have a wonderful day till the next video.